Hey YouTube, what's up? So I'm here right now. My Navi's busted. I think the transmission gave out. I was on a DoorDash delivery too. As you can see, I have someone's food right there. Yeah, well, pretty sure it's the transmission that died. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to get a new variator, transmission, upgrade, all that stuff redone. Hey YouTube, it's been a while. Just out here with my Honda Navi, about to take it apart. Let's hope for the best, but prepare for the worst.
Yo. Skirt. Amen. Amen.
Okay guys, for the most part the clutch itself looks fine. I mean, you can see that it's a little beat up, a little used, but should still be in working condition. Let's take a look at the variator next. So here's the variator, guys. You can see that it's a lot more beat up, especially here. You can see that there's scratch marks everywhere on this. It's really beat up. I mean, oh my god, guys. I'm definitely gonna need a new variator. I think we narrowed the problem, guys. Okay, so this piece is stuck on there. I can't get it off no matter how hard I try. And I'm not a weak guy by any stretch of the imagination.
So that was a f***ing lie.
Maybe if I remove these bolts, I can get this off. It's worth a shot.
few moments later.
Okay guys, no matter how much I try to wiggle it or try to move it, it looks like it's not really budging.
You're still too weak.
But you can see that there's a lot of damage that happened in the transmission. You know what? I might need to take this to a shop.
2,000 years later.
So I took the Navi to a local motorcycle shop, and here's what they found. Crank damage. They said that whole assembly needs to get replaced, and then the stock clutch. And here's what that's gonna look like in terms of what it's gonna cost to fix. So the total estimate is gonna be $2,356. That's more than what the Navi's worth. I mean, that's more than what my wife paid for that Navi. So right now it's a debate on whether or not is this thing even worth fixing. So you know what they say, some days you win and some days you lose, but man, today feels like a loss.